Hello children, today we are going to discuss the second important factor of quality of population, that is health. Okay, health also play a very important role in one's life. Healthy people, as we all know, healthy people are an asset for the society, for the nation. Healthy people have higher productivity. Now, what is health? Health of a person helps him to realize his potential and the ability to fight illness. An unhealthy person becomes a liability for an organization indeed. Now, it improves health. Health improves the quality of life. A healthy person is able to do his work in a proper and efficient way. Okay, children? Healthy people, yeah, good health. Good health improves the quality of life, improves the quality of life. A healthy person is able to do his work in a proper and efficient way. A healthy person makes greater contribution to society as compared to an unhealthy person. A healthy person contributes more than an unhealthy person. Okay? Good health enables a person to earn more. Healthy people earn more as compared to unhealthy persons, and to be more regular in their work. They earn more and are more regular in their work. Okay? Therefore, improvement in the health status of the population has been the priority of the country. Our national policy too aims at improving the accessibility of healthcare, family welfare, and nutritional services with a special focus on the underprivileged segment of population. That's why over the last 5 decades, India has built up a vast health infrastructure. Okay, health infrastructure, and has developed manpower required at primary, secondary, and tertiary sector, in government as well as in the private sector. Now, children, there are many places in India. Why there is a need to provide all these facilities to population? Because there are many places in India which do not have even the basic facilities. There are only 381 medical colleges. How many medical colleges? Medical colleges. How many medical colleges are there, beta? 381. And these medical colleges are also not evenly distributed in the country. Just four states. These are the states: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, have maximum number of colleges. Take states like UP, Bihar. In these states, the condition of health or the infrastructure which is available for the people is very poor. Okay children, that's why government have taken initiative to improve the health status of the population, and which is the priority of the nation also. Okay children, so this is all about health. In the next topic we will discuss the next important topic, that is unemployment. Okay children, we will discuss this topic in the next video. So this is all for today's class.